just a bit of light reading.
Ooh, what's this?
Hey!
Where are we?
It looks like a shoe factory.
Welcome to Zimmerman Shoes. Would you like to come inside?
So at Zimmerman Shoes, we cut, sew, and last each pair of shoes. So from the beginning where we cut the shoes, each piece is cut on our dye-out machine, and then it's sent to our sewing room, and every piece is sewn, and then eventually it comes to our lasting department. And then when the shoes are ready to be packed and sent to our customers, they come to our packing department.
Let's go check out cutting.
The history of the factory is an interesting one. It was started in business in 1880. It's just an interesting place. It's 3 stories, and every inch of it is occupied, of course, to manufacture shoes.
Off to sewing! Not again!
I've been making shoes since 1976. I've been doing shoes my whole life. The first million is the hardest.
Now on to lasting. Where did they go now?
They taught me everything I needed to know when I got here, which is one of the great things about manufacturing. Most times you learn from other people.
Now it's time for packaging.
The leathers have changed. Lots of cool designs, fun designs for the kids' shoes. I love all the shoes.
Shoemaking is something that I love. To be able to come in here and work with our team every day is honestly a dream come true.
We're like one big happy family.
Congratulations, you made a shoe.
Hey guys, look!
It's the book!
Thank you for visiting Zimmerman Shoes.